this card. I think it's one of my favorites, certainly in the fashion series on my work. The flowers, just love them. Great hat. And the lace and just the color. I just love it, and I think part of it is also that I have a sense of humor. I love play, not silly play, but just play. And that the shoe that she has on are the types of shoes I used to wear when I was modeling and out in public a lot. She just is the epitome for me of fun and grace and nature. So, I don't know. It's funny how certain things just make us smile and be happy. This one does that for me.